Hello friends, welcome to the channel. So let's analyze the position of JAW USD today. So today, as we know, today is a high impact big data day, that is CPI. Today we have CPI data. So let's analyze the market in context of CPI news. So I will be updating the positions on WhatsApp and Twitter also. Update yourself there. So let us analyze the market. So as we see on daily chart, we had already discussed that market may touch downside and up to 1910 and 1905 can be touched, we had discussed, and 192025 was the high probability area which can touched. Actually we had discussed in context of the demand zone. Here you can see here a good demand zone was at 1931 to 1911. In this context we had discussed that market may touch in this zone and can go between below the zone and can go between the zone, which we had discussed that we may touch this area, but market took support from its top place, which was the demand zone top, and here at 1910 it was the bottom portion, but market took the support here. So we had earlier discussed that market may go around this and can bounce, but market started bouncing from the top of the demand zone. So in context of the present scenario, we can discuss, we can see that market is started bouncing from the bottom of the Bollinger Band on daily chart, and presently today's we can see market is at 1947, around 1947 we can see market is at 1947. So what should be the important levels? The important levels we will discuss, which need to be noted for a good result in trading. So please note. So if market started bouncing from 1950 zone, it will become bullish and we may touch up to 1972 zone, from here bottom of the Bollinger Band to the middle of the Bollinger Band and 20-day support. So this is the important one. So this may be noted that we may bounce from 1950 zone. If 1950 maintains after data, we may touch 1972. This may kindly be noted. And secondly, for downside, one important support is at 1930 and 32. This is the best support, the best one. If market holds this area, it may bounce again, and if market go below 1930, precisely 1930, if breaks, we may touch the bottom of the demand zone, that is 1910 zone. So very simple analysis. Please note the levels. If markets bounces from 1950 zone after CPI data, then we may touch 1972 up to 1972, the 20-day as well as the middle of the Bollinger Band. And if it breaks from 1930, it should take support at 1910 level, the bottom of the demand zone. So this is the present analysis in context of CPI data as well as the chart. So this is the present analysis, friends. Thank you.